In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Notion page in a new tab. We're keeping this simple and focused, but I'll walk you through the why and how so you feel confident doing it every time. Opening pages in a new tab is great when you want to reference multiple notes side by side, keep your current view intact, or compare content without losing your place. First, go to Notion in your web browser. Once you're in, you should see your workspace with the sidebar on the left and your current page in the main area. If you land on a home or dashboard view, that's perfectly fine. You just need to locate the page you want to open. You'll usually find it in the sidebar under your workspace or favorites, or within a list or table where the page title appears as a link. Next, right-click the page you want to open. If you're using a mouse, that's a standard right-click. On a trackpad, a two-finger click typically opens the context menu. On many laptops, you can also hold the control key while clicking. When the small menu appears, look for the option that says Open in a new tab and click it. Different browsers may phrase this slightly differently. Some say Open link in new tab, but the result is the same. This action creates a new browser tab with that Notion page while keeping your current tab exactly where it is. If you prefer shortcuts, you can use them as an alternative. For many keyboards, holding Command on Mac or Control on Windows while clicking the page title will open it in a new tab. A middle click with a mouse wheel often does the same. These are optional and just as effective if you like to move quickly. At this point, you're done. Check the top of your browser and you'll see a new tab with the page loaded and ready to use. You can switch between tabs to reference both pages at once, drag tabs to reorder them, or even pull a tab into its own window if you want to view pages side by side. If you don't see the Open in a new tab option, make sure you're right-clicking directly on the linked page title, not on blank space. In databases, click on the title column, which is the actual page link. If a browser extension or custom setting blocks context menus, temporarily disable it or use the keyboard shortcut instead. That's all there is to it. You've opened a Notion page in a new tab without losing your current view, making it easy to multitask and compare notes smoothly. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.